Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5074828 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands are provided in the video description and run it one by one. So copy the first command, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go to Windows Update, and if you see the retry option over here, you can click on retry and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, click on pause over here. Once it is paused, resume updates and then check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5074828, and then click on search. Now check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And over here you can see your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system, and so this is the right one for me. Click on download and then click on KB5074828 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update. You just click on it and follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.